हेलो। आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों को सरसों का साग बहुत पसंद होगा। Especially in the north, many people like to eat sarson ka saag during winter season when it is abundantly available in Punjab, Haryana, Delhi and other North Indian states. आजकल तो लोग इसको साउथ में भी खाना पसंद करते हैं। इंडिया की सदर्न स्टेट्स में भी लोग साग खाना पसंद करते हैं, सरसों का साग। इसकी रेसिपी आपको इंटरनेट में मिल जाएगी, पर इसको खरीदने के लिए इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय इट यू हैव टू गो टू द मार्केट। इट्स अ सीजनल वेजिटेबल, but in some states where the climate is very suitable, like in the southern states like Bangalore or Hyderabad, it's available from the month of end of October and then continues for 3-4 months till March, April. But why go to the vegetable market? If you have got a small terrace garden, you can prepare a small bed. It may be of about 25 square feet or more. You can grow it yourself and enjoy the taste of the sarson ka saag, which they call mustard greens. Here, I have grown it in my terrace garden. It's a very small bed. It's a bed of only about 16 SFT, 16 square feet, 16 वर्ग गज की ये छोटी सी क्यारी है जिसमें मैंने इसको लगा के रखा है। अब ये तोड़ने वाला हो गया है। We can cut and cook it now, and perhaps, most probably, today we will be doing it. But before that, I wanted to take a video and show it to the public that we can grow mustard greens in our small terrace gardens. And its health benefits are multitude. It's very good, and because there's oil content in it, it keeps your bowels clean. And if we talk of minerals, you get a lot of iron in it. Other minerals, calcium, magnesium, etc. So a lot of minerals are available in this. Zinc is there in this mustard leaves recipe, which you will make it in your home. Very nice to look at. See the green leaves. See the green leaves. Very nice. Very good. In a few days it will get ripened. Flowers have started coming now. See it. Yellow flowers. It gives you yellow flowers. And the pods will come. And we'll get mustard seeds in it. But it's better to put some spinach in it and some other ingredients, some other leafy vegetables are there available in the market. You can put even the fenugreek leaves, मेंथम कुरा, मेथी डाल सकते हैं इसमें आप। तो आपके गार्डन में थोड़ी सी जगह में आप साग उगा सकते हैं और भी चीज़ें उगा सकते हैं। हम तो बहुत कुछ उगा के रखे हैं यहाँ। तो ये तुलसी है और पालक। See that palak is there, spinach. We can cut it and put in mustard seeds. पालकूरा इन तेलुगु दे कॉल इट, एंड हिंदी में पालक बोलते इसको. This also is a very good leafy vegetable, very healthy vegetable. Okay. I have grown even beans in a small terrace bed here. Terrace bed में छोटा सा क्यारी बना के उसमें बीन्स भी लगा के रखा है. देखो, just see, it's flowering now, and in a few days beans will come, and it's also a very good vegetable. So, दोस्तों, अगर आपने अपने छोटे से टेरेस गार्डन में कुछ भी उगाना है, बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है. थोड़ा बेड तैयार करो, पुट सम ऑर्गेनिक fertilizer in it, maybe a cow dung fertilizers or any animal waste. Prepare the soil by putting this organic fertilizers, manure, and then put some seeds. It will grow in a few days. Water them, but when you're watering them, don't overwater them when they're growing. So this way you can have leafy vegetables in your own garden. Thank you here. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you very much.